I've created a series of workshops here at my place in California in hopes to get you to come out to learn a different approach of woodworking, a different approach to design.
It's really easy to kind of get stuck in the day-to-day of your life, whether you're a professional creative or you're like me and you have a day job. I think what tipped me over the edge was the idea of like checking out so that then I could really be creative and do new cool things that I'm not able to do in the day-to-day.
I'm hoping that you can come and unwind a little bit and to get away from the everyday things that you deal with and to just focus on woodworking, making things with your hands, and being in this environment. My goal is to not only send you home with your piece that you built, but also just send you home with the confidence and, even more importantly, the inspiration to take what you learn and to build your own pieces.